Welcome to level 8 of 100 paradoxes. This one is called the Sorites Paradox, also known as the paradox of the heap, and it challenges the way we define vague concepts. Imagine you have a heap of sand made up of millions of grains. Now, remove one grain from the heap. It's still a heap, right? Now remove another grain. It's still a heap. Keep going, grain by grain. At what exact point does it stop being a heap? If you remove just one grain, it doesn't seem like a heap suddenly disappears. But if you keep removing grains, eventually, you'll be left with only one grain of sand, which is definitely not a heap. So, where did the heap go? This paradox exposes a problem with vague concepts. Words like heap, bald, or tall don't have clear boundaries. For example, if a man has a full head of hair and starts losing hair one by one, when does he become bald? If a child grows an inch every year, at what exact height does tall begin? Because these concepts are fuzzy, they create logical contradictions. Philosophers have debated solutions for centuries, but there's no clear answer. Some approaches include 1. The sharp cutoff theory. Some argue that even vague terms have hidden exact boundaries, even if we don't know them. Maybe a heap is exactly 1,000 grains of sand or more, and anything less is not a heap. 2. The continuous spectrum. Others argue that concepts like heap and bald exist on a spectrum, and trying to force an exact cutoff is pointless. 3. Supervaluationism. A more complex solution suggests that vague terms can be true in some cases, false in others, and indeterminate in between, depending on context. The Sorites Paradox isn't just a word game. It affects law, ethics, and artificial intelligence. How do we define when a person officially becomes an adult? When does a collection of actions become a crime? How does an AI determine the difference between big and small when no clear boundary exists?